This is Timmy. He wants to learn Irish. He's just after purchasing a brand new best-selling book on Irish phrases. Timmy believes that the guides for pronouncing the phrases in this book are accurate. He reads this phrase as per the guidance of the book. Gur rev mila mahagut as laut lin in you, ta me an buick, Timmy says. Timmy is delighted with his newfound prowess for Irish pronunciation.
Hooray!
He's delighted with how easy it is to use English pronunciation when speaking Irish. Now that Timmy can speak Irish, he turns on Radio na Gaeltachta. Poor Timmy is confused. This is not what the book taught me, Timmy says to himself. Timmy can't understand what is being said on the radio at all, despite his practice. However, Timmy is determined. He throws out the book he bought and continues listening to Radio na Gaeltachta. He begins to imitate the sounds of the native speakers. His Irish is improving. Timmy learns slender and broad pronunciations. He learns monophthongs. He learns diphthongs. He learns stress. Timmy is no longer stressed when listening to Radio na Gaeltachta. He's happy. Anyone can be happy. You can be happy too.